This how to 1 minute will show you how to fix ERR cache miss problem in Chrome browser. If you're trying to open any website and you're facing this error, follow these easy steps to fix it. The first solution is reload the page and restart your Chrome browser. Simply reload the page and check the issue. And to restart your Chrome browser, close your Chrome browser by clicking on this cross icon at the top right and relaunch it. And then check the issue. And the second solution is update your Google Chrome browser. To do that, click on this three dot and click on settings. Scroll down to this left-hand menu and click on About Chrome. And here, you'll be able to automatically update your Chrome browser. Once done, try to reopen the website and check the issue. And the third solution is clear cache and browsing data. To do that, click on this three dot and hover over on More Tools and click on Clear Browsing Data. And time range, select all time and check all of these boxes and click on Clear Data. Once done, check the issue. And the next solution is disable your Chrome extensions. To do that, click on this three dot, click on extensions and click on manage extensions. And here you will get all of your installed extensions. All you have to need, just disable all extensions one by one. And after that, try to reopen the website and check the issue. And the last and final solution is reset your Chrome browser settings. To do that, click on this three dot, click on settings, scroll down to this left-hand menu and click on reset settings and click on restore settings to their original defaults. Click on reset settings. Once done, hope any of this solution will fix this error. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.